Alleged Caitlin Clark stalker disruptive in court appearance. Held on $50,000 bond. Police say the man sent Clark threats, sexually explicit messages. The Texas man arrested for allegedly sending threats and sexually explicit messages to WNBA star Caitlin Clark was held on $50,000 bond following a disruptive court appearance in Indianapolis on Tuesday. Marion County prosecutors charged 55-year-old Michael Thomas Lewis of Denton, Texas, with felony stalking. Lewis made multiple outbursts during a preliminary hearing Tuesday in front of Marion County Superior Court Judge Angela Davis, according to NBC and ESPN. Per NBC, Lewis shouted guilty as charged, "I'm free, and I guess you got the wrong guy," at different points throughout the hearing. When asked by the court if he suffers from mental illness, Lewis responded, "I need my medicines." Lewis did not hire an attorney for the hearing. Davis assigned him a public defender who entered a plea of not guilty on his behalf. She ordered him to stay away from Gainbridge Fieldhouse, where the Fever play home games, and from Butler Basketball Arena Hinkle Fieldhouse. Clark's boyfriend, Connor McCaffrey, is an assistant coach at Butler. Lewis told the court that he had no intention of posting bond. "I don't want bond, bail, whatever," he said. "I'm here. I'm staying." What Lewis is accused of doing, court documents said the messages from Lewis to Clark were sent through ex-detectives discovered the messages were sent from an IP address traced to a hotel in Indianapolis, according to the Indianapolis Star. Lewis' presence in Indianapolis was especially concerning given that he is a Texas resident, detectives said in the affidavit, via the Star. Police contacted Lewis last week regarding the messages. After initially claiming he didn't send the messages, he acknowledged it was an imaginary relationship, reported WTHR. He was told by police to stop making threatening posts against Clark, which he claimed were an imagination, fantasy-type thing, and a joke, not intended to be threatening. However, he continued to send the messages after police spoke with him. "Been driving around your house 3 hours a day," one of the messages said, according to court documents, via Fox 59. "But don't call the law just yet." Police also interviewed Clark, who said she has been very fearful since learning about the messages, and safety concerns led her to change her appearance, adjust her public schedule, and alter her patterns of travel. Lewis faces 1 to 6 years in prison for a level 5 felony, and a fine of up to $10,000 if he is convicted. This is the second recent case of a women's basketball player being stalked, as the Star's Chloe Peterson pointed out. A Pacific Northwest man was arrested in Connecticut in September after sending threatening messages to Yukon standout Paige Bueckers. He was banned from all Yukon and WNBA complexes and issued a restraining order.